Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I like to do this analysis, think it as or I should say, this point of view, because it does a good job of really illustrating what's essentially started to take place, and that is that the chart's breaking down, and now the chart is, continuing to, not be able to make as much progress as previous levels. And the easiest way to illustrate that is just to do the first update, which is based on a foundational rule in charting, stating when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So those of you that did watch the video on Friday, I talked about 920 as support, but now that the price broke down below there, as the rule states, you would expect it to act as resistance, and that is exactly what happened today. Price got the bounce up. Sure, didn't hit it exactly, but got within the range of it and then rolled back over. So my point is that, the price showed some signs of strength with the bounce, but it still put in a much, lower high. And right here, showed some strength, but put in a much lower high. And that's, something where the chart continues to break down. Now, if the price, tomorrow just crushes up through 920, well, then that's where you can start to have a discussion that, hey, it's looking like the chart is maybe turning around. But as of right now, there is no looking like it's turning around because the price, like I said, continues to put in those higher lows. Now, to give some credit where credit's due, it's good to see that the price was able to at least build some higher bases today. So that's much better than having the price, close even down below, the 860 mark. So there are some little miniature stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. But my point is there's still a lot of work to be done to the upside. And that first bit of quote unquote work is now getting up above and staying up above the $9.20 mark. As far as levels of support, this goes back to the level I talked about on Friday, and that's right down here at the $8.80 mark. So 880 is going to be that initial level to keep an eye on. And if the price cannot hold above there, then yeah, the price could very well head down to the about 867-ish area. But as of now, like I said, the price not only held above 880, but also got a nice little bounce to the upside from it. So we'll see if this is some sort of bottom formation trying to form or not. The good news is it's only Monday, so still plenty of days left to try to get this thing turned around. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.